Hi guys, this is Lance and welcome to my first vlog again. And I'm going to share with you our Enchanted Kingdom trip with Leo and Diana. It took us an hour and a half to get to Santa Rosa, Laguna from Pasay. And honestly, this trip was so spontaneous. We weren't prepared at all. We are here at Enchanted Day. We have arrived. Ang init. Parang maluluto tayo nito. Uy, mababasa tayo eh. Ano sabi mo?
Wala.
Ano sabi mo?
Wala.
Ang kinis ka?
Hindi.
Thank you.
Dapat ganoon.
Thank you po.
Dapat na dito pinupuli.
Uy, pagkakabay naman. Ang init! It's been 10 years since I last came here. And it really feels great to be back. We are currently in line, going in. Hello, Yana. Yana, she. So, beforehand, we booked at Klook. Paano yung sa akin?
Mga codes ay part.
Alright.
Ay ko.
Invisible po yan na.
We're here! Before anything else, we are going to eat.
Payong saan? Sa video mo.
Kaya nga.
Ano naman?
Yeah. Kaya ba talaga ka ng mindset?
Just a fun story, guys. We didn't have any plans on where to go first, so we ended up spending a long time at the entrance. I think we spent around 30 minutes going back and forth. Yeah. Ayan o.
Alin?
Ayan o, ito nga. Ayan. Parang mas maganda tong cave. Para kapag nagra-rides ka, tawag dyan, lumilipad yung cave. Magkano po sa ganito? Parang ang cute. Parang lumilipad ka. Wala po nito mas malaki. Eto na yun.
Yung hot.
Payong. Itong vlog ko na to, kayo yung lang kita lagi. Sige. Meron ako. Kakamadali nga eh.
Alin?
Baka may bilihan dito. So, we're here at Enchanted Kingdom with Yana and Leo. So, before anything else, kakain muna tayo. Kain muna tayo. Mali, dito dapat kasi dito yung paano tayo?
Wala yung map?
Oo, yung ganun. Sarap. So, we are going to ask for a map. Okay, thank you. So guys, 30 minutes na kami dito sa entrance kasi hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Bibili ko. Una tayo.
Ganda ng talipot ko.
Marami pang oras.
Mga ilang balik pa tayo dito.
Ay, yung cute. Magkano po sa hat? 50. Cute, diba? Tapos pag nag-arrive, yung color blue? Ikaw, babalik ka?
Bili na kayo dito. Bili ako doon.
Ano bibili mo yan?
Ito ata. 275. So yan na yung bibilin mo, yan na si. Ano sa hindi pa ako makapag-decide? Ito nga samahan ka ta. Ito oh. So here we decided to buy hats as souvenirs, and of course the hats should match our shirts, the color of our shirts. So I bought. Okay ba? So Yana, she bought green kasi green yung damit niya, and I bought brown kasi brown yung damit ko, and Leo will be buying this one. Para siyang si Totoro. Diba?
Magpapahin naman tayo.
Ang cute niya sa likod ko.
Oo.
Ayan na, bilhin mo na. Tapos mag-picture na tayo.
Yan na.
Yung cute nito. Sir, isa lang ang size ng cup.
Tingin ko.
So magbubukas po ulit.
Here we go again, discussing about where to go first. And yeah.
Kainan. Potato corner ito eh. Ito.
Doon. Pwede tayo dyan pumunta.
Ayun, kainan.
Oh, game.
Hotdog.
Oh, yeah. Pwede. Kaya po ba ito sa bag mo?
Lagay mo.
Marami lang. Mabilis lang yan.
So this is the first ride that we tried. Yeah, we felt like kids again. And it might not have been obvious, but I really enjoyed riding this. Yeah. So this is our second ride. Pero grabe, it took us an hour just to get through the line. Imagine. There's a lot of kids and students, and I think they have a tour, so that's why. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to film the ride because I'm kind of scared that my phone will, fly away.
3 o'clock.
We've already spent 3 hours. But dalawang rides pa lang yung nasakyan namin. As napakadaming estudyante ngayon. May tour ata sila. Iba-ibang school, no? Pero we still got so much time pa naman. And uuwi na rin naman sila ng mga alas 5. So, libot muna tayo. Ikot-ikot muna tayo.
Ay, nakakadalawa pa lang kaming ride. Kakain na naman kami. Ay, may Dairy Queen. Full. Nakailang rides na tayo? Dalawa. Dalawa pa lang. Kumakain na naman tayo. Kailan yan?
Rides sa pinaka.
Oo, nakapagod pumila.
Magkano mo yan binili?
160.
Magkano?
160.
Iyon, magkano to yan?
Another hour of, you know, getting through the line. I'm kind of tired, to be honest. And this space shuttle is a ride that I really want to try because 10 years ago I wasn't able to try it. But grabe, the line was so long that I think it will take us 2 hours just to, you know, just to ride the thing. So in the end, I wasn't able to ride it. Here, it wasn't really obvious, but I was a bit nervous and my hands were starting to sweat because, you know, I'm scared of heights.